Maxim 51. A man without virility is a woman, and an avaricious devotee is a highway robber. O thou who hast put on a white robe for show, to be approved of men, whilst the book of thy acts is black. The hand is to be restrained from the world, no matter whether the sleeve be short or long. And, well, you can protect your various drives. But it's not whether you're considered a devotee or not. Just like the last one, it's not, oh, just don't make the scripture something you recite. You got to live it. And you can't look at your own taste, you can't look at those of others as mere justification. And if you accomplish that, you won't be a psychopath, you won't be a sociopath.